What if I told you that one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet is smaller than a sesame seed? I'm talking about chia seeds. They might look tiny, but these little powerhouses are packed with omega-3s, protein, and a massive amount of fiber. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day, and how to easily add them to your diet. Let's get into it. Today, chia seeds have reclaimed their rightful place as a modern dietary superfood. But what exactly happens to your biology when you make the conscious decision to consume chia seeds every single day? Incorporating just 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your daily routine triggers a cascade of physiological responses throughout your body, from your brain down to your gut. Here is a comprehensive look at the remarkable things that happen to your body when you eat chia seeds every day, the nutritional foundation before diving into the physiological effects. It is crucial to understand what you are introducing into your body. A single 1-ounce serving of chia seeds contains approximately calories, 137 fiber, 11 grams, almost 40% of the daily recommended intake, protein, 4.4 grams, fat, 9 grams, the vast majority of which are heart-healthy, omega-3s, calcium, 18% of the recommended daily allowance, magnesium, 30% of the phosphorus, 27% of the DRA. Because of this incredibly dense nutritional profile, daily consumption initiates the following changes in your body. 1. Your digestive system transforms. The most immediate and profound impact of eating chia seeds daily happens in your gastrointestinal tract. Chia seeds are roughly 40% fiber by weight, making them one of the most fiber-dense foods on the planet. When you consume chia seeds, you are taking in a mix of soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber is hydrophilic, meaning it loves water. When exposed to the liquids in your stomach, the seeds absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, taking on a gel-like, mucilaginous consistency. This gel acts as a prebiotic, serving as food for the beneficial bacteria living in your microbiome. As these good bacteria feast on the chia fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which reduce gut inflammation and keep the lining of your colon healthy. Meanwhile, the insoluble fiber acts like a broom for your digestive tract. It adds bulk to your stool, allowing food to pass through your intestines smoothly and regularly. If you struggle with constipation, daily chia seed consumption will almost certainly result in regular, healthy bowel movements. However, a word of caution: because chia seeds absorb so much water, you must increase your daily water intake. Eating copious amounts of chia without proper hydration can actually cause constipation and bloating. 2. Blood sugar levels stabilize. If you often experience the roller coaster effect of energy spikes followed by mid-afternoon crashes, daily chia seed consumption will change your life. This roller coaster is usually caused by eating refined carbohydrates that spike your blood glucose levels. When you eat chia seeds, the gel-like substance they form in your stomach physically slows down the digestive process. It creates a barrier between the carbohydrates you've eaten and the digestive enzymes trying to break them down. As a result, the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose is delayed. Instead of a massive spike in blood sugar, your body experiences a slow, steady release of energy. This is incredibly beneficial for insulin sensitivity. Over time, eating chia seeds every day can help lower fasting blood sugar levels and significantly aid in the management or prevention of type 2 diabetes. 3. Cardiovascular health improves. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death globally, but daily chia seed consumption acts as a powerful shield for your cardiovascular system. This is primarily due to their incredibly high concentration of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. When you eat chia seeds daily, these omega-3s go to work reducing inflammation within your blood vessels. Chronic inflammation is a primary driver of atherosclerosis, the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Furthermore, the high soluble fiber content binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and drags it out of your body before it can enter your bloodstream. Studies have shown that consistent chia seed consumption can lower LDL bad cholesterol, decrease triglyceride levels, and raise HDL good cholesterol. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in magnesium and potassium, two minerals that act as vasodilators. They help relax the tension in your blood vessel walls, which naturally lowers high blood pressure, taking a massive strain off your heart. 4. Weight management becomes effortless. While no single food is a magic bullet for weight loss, chia seeds are arguably one of the most effective dietary tools for weight management. When you eat them every day, you naturally begin to eat less of other things. This happens via a two-pronged mechanism. First, as mentioned earlier, chia seeds expand in your stomach. This triggers the stretch receptors in your stomach wall, sending signals to your brain that you are full. Second, chia seeds are a great source of plant-based protein. Protein is highly satiating. It reduces the levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin and 5. Your bones grow denser and stronger. When we think of bone health, we usually think of a glass of cow's milk. However, gram for gram, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products. A single ounce provides nearly 20% of your daily calcium needs, but calcium doesn't work alone. To properly absorb and utilize calcium, your body needs magnesium and phosphorus, both of which are found in high concentrations in chia seeds. When you consume them daily, you are providing your skeletal system with the exact triad of minerals it needs to maintain bone mineral density. This is particularly vital for aging populations, postmenopausal women who are at a higher risk for osteoporosis, and vegans, or those who are lactose intolerant and need alternative sources of bone-building minerals. 6. Skin glows and cellular aging slows down. Chia seeds are heavily armed with antioxidants. In fact, their antioxidant profile is what prevents the delicate fats inside the seed from going rancid. The specific antioxidants found in chia seeds include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and camphorol. Every day, your body is bombarded by free radicals and stable molecules produced by pollution, UV rays, poor diet, and stress. These free radicals bounce around your cells, causing oxidative stress, which leads to chronic disease and the physical signs of aging, such as wrinkles and dull skin. By eating chia seeds every day, you are flooding your system with antioxidants that neutralize these free radicals. Chlorogenic acid helps lower blood pressure, while caffeic acid fights systemic inflammation. Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight aging on a cellular level. Furthermore, because chia seeds hold onto water, they promote deep intracellular hydration, which leaves your skin looking plump, hydrated, and youthful from the inside out. 7. Muscle repair and sustained energy. Chia seeds are one of the rare plant foods that are considered a complete protein. This means they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own and must obtain through diet. If you are an athlete, or simply someone who exercises regularly, eating chia seeds daily provides the amino acid building blocks required to repair micro tears in muscle tissue after a workout. Furthermore, the combination of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and complete protein makes chia seeds the ultimate sustained energy food, keeping fatigue at bay during long, grueling days. The dark side, potential side effects, and precautions. While the benefits are vast, it is entirely possible to have too much of a good thing. If you decide to start eating chia seeds every day, you must be aware of how your body might react negatively, especially in the beginning. Digestive distress. If you currently eat a low-fiber diet and suddenly start eating 3 tablespoons of chia seeds a day, your digestive system will rebel. The sudden influx of fiber can cause severe bloating, gas, abdominal cramps, and constipation. The fix: start with just 1 teaspoon a day and slowly work your way up to 2 tablespoons over a few weeks, allowing your gut microbiome time to adjust. The choking hazard: you should never eat dry chia seeds by the spoonful. Because they absorb liquid so rapidly, eating a spoonful of dry seeds and trying to wash them down with water can result in the seeds expanding in your esophagus, causing a severe choking hazard. Always soak them in liquid water, milk, Yogurt for at least 10–15 minutes before consuming. Medication interactions. Because chia seeds are so effective at lowering blood pressure and blood sugar, they can interact with medications designed to do the same thing. If you are on blood pressure medication or insulin, eating vast amounts of chia could cause your levels to drop too low. Furthermore, the omega-3s act as a natural blood thinner, which can be dangerous if you are already taking anticoagulant medications like warfarin. Always consult a doctor if you are on these medications. Phytic acid. Like all seeds, chia contains phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can bind to minerals like zinc and iron, impairing their absorption. Fortunately, soaking the seeds in liquid drastically reduces the phytic acid content. How to incorporate them into your daily life. The beauty of chia seeds lies in their culinary versatility. They have virtually no distinct flavor, meaning they take on the taste of whatever you mix them with. Chia pudding. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of almond milk, a dash of vanilla, and a teaspoon of maple syrup. Leave it in the fridge overnight for a tapioca-like breakfast. Smoothies. Toss a tablespoon into your morning protein shake or fruit smoothie for an undetectable nutrient boost. Oatmeal. Stir a spoonful into your hot oatmeal to thicken it and add texture. Baking substitute. Vegans use the chia egg for baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 15 minutes until it forms a gel, and use it to replace 1 egg in baking recipes. Conclusion: eating chia seeds every day is a small, seemingly insignificant habit that yields massive physiological dividends over time. From stabilizing the volatile peaks and valleys of your blood sugar, to fortifying your skeletal system, to sweeping your digestive tract clean, these tiny seeds punch far above their weight class. By simply soaking a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds and adding them to your daily diet, you are honoring an ancient tradition of human nutrition, while utilizing modern science to protect your heart, brain, and gut. Just remember to drink plenty of water, start slowly, and enjoy the profound transformations your body will experience. I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite way to eat chia seeds? Are you team chia pudding, or do you just throw them in a smoothie? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.